I'm over here stroking my got lotion on my right now. I'm just stroking my shit.
If it isn't Sway Sway and the Divas, no.
Okay, it's childish, can't be no hunger, dropping like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coke up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter. Like we beat it, with short shit. Your greatest in my grocery. Crazy, cause we time to be bad.
And now for something completely different.
My what? Your butt! Your butt! You saved us with your butt!